I know that a lot of people are still scared. It does that every time the price goes down, but it won't last forever and the market is still doing well. I'll also tell you this at the end of the video. I think that XRP is going to go through the roof compared to Bitcoin based on a recent post from one of the best chart experts in the whole world of cryptocurrencies. You'll enjoy what I have here. XRP costs $2.90 right now. There was a small rise in Bitcoin above $114,000, but hasn't the price changed more? Yes, XRP fell as low as $2.86 on Tuesday night. Around 8:45 p.m. Central Time, it would have happened. It just so happened that Bitcoin hit its lowest point. These charts are pretty much the same, you know? Each type of object moves at the same time. This shouldn't be a surprise unless you're new to Bitcoin. If so, son, welcome to the party. But Bitcoin dropped as low as $112,577 on Tuesday night. I'm sorry, $112,757. We are a little ahead from there, but it's still not time to be scared. This chart was sent to Cointelegraph by the on-chain data company Santiment, as you may know. I wrote a store here. Traders were the most pessimistic they'd been since June 22nd, when Bitcoin went below $113,000. In the past, this level of severe pessimism has been a sign of a buying chance because markets often move against what most people think. That's the end of the story, folks. It just keeps doing the same thing over and over. It turns out that every time the market falls, you should have bought at that X amount of time. For some reason, it didn't feel scary right now. That's always the case. At the very top, when the market is truly euphoric, it doesn't even have to be the market's peak. When there is simply more excitement in the market than usual, there are people of all different types who are sure that the market will keep going up forever. The market then makes things right. It seems to be happening over and over again. You should just accept it and get used to it, and after that you'll know what I mean. You can also do anything you want. That's what has helped me since late 2017 when I bought cryptocurrency and didn't do anything else. It's really that simple. Because of this, I have nothing to sell you. It's so simple that I don't even have a course to teach you. I mean, there's more to talk about. I wouldn't have anything to say if I didn't put videos on YouTube. It is that simple, though, if you want to get to the bottom of things. Once you buy something, you stick with it through good times and bad. You just do. That's because the market for cryptocurrencies keeps swelling. When you look at where it will be in 10, 15, or 20 years, it will also look like a very small asset class. While it may look bigger now than it did, say, 5 or 10 years ago, this is still true. People, this is a great place to make money that could change your life. It's still not done. What? A post from the Nentropic account? This is the job of the co-founders of Glassnode, an on-chain data company. Not only that, but this post was made just hours ago. What was it? 1:24 a.m. Okay, so that was about 2.5 hours ago. Since they seem to get it, I decided to post it. I just wrote that our whole feed is bad. It's time to put on some shorts. The scene is set. Turn on the starter. They already know this, of course. As long as there are lots of baby backer-box on XR, social media, or any other social media site, it doesn't matter to them. When they're all crying and having a temper tantrum, moaning on the internet, etc., it generally marks their bottoms. It looks like we're getting close to the bottom, which is good, even though that doesn't always mean that right now, does it? Do you agree? This is often the case. But the truth is that you will win if you just wait, no matter how long it takes. It's amazing how hard it is for people to do nothing. Are you sure about that? It sounds like people are saying, oh my God, I hurt because the network's down, but I need to do something. How sure are you that's true? That something needs to be done? I'm not sure. I've never heard of this expert named Alex Becker before, but this post is by him. Even so, with 1.3 million fans, that would be one of the bigger accounts in the business, that's for sure. This made me laugh. This is what Alex Becker wrote. He told her, I'm not even going to post anything inspiring about holding this dip. As the price goes up, it goes down. Be a giant and sell. It doesn't bother me. Be a giant and sell. That one is great. But I don't remember seeing this man's previous post. It's good. He's right, though. It's slowly going up to its final high point for the market cycle, which we haven't hit yet. It's true, though. For those of you who are new, you get the S-type. I still don't want to deal with this. Fear-based selling is likely to happen. Frecky, a member of the XRP community who has been interested in cryptocurrency since 2011 and has worked in banks for decades, let me see this. This is clear to him. Everything makes sense to him in full. Yes, there will be a lot of changes as you go up. Oh no. Not at all, he wrote after sharing this. We're not bothered by this or any temporary noise. We'll go up further. The price of Ethereum will reach $5,000 and people will want to buy good options. Also, he put a tag on XRP there. He gets it then. If you're not there yet, I can promise you that if you wait long enough, you'll be, and you'll tell yourself, yeah, whatever. It doesn't matter. It just doesn't work. Things are getting so much better. So I'm glad he brought it up because that's new, all-time high ground for Ethereum. It's been a while since I saw that. But we will, which is important because historically that's when all the seasons start. This is a post from CW who looks at charts. He says that XRP also got rid of most of its long bets that were heavily leveraged. You know you have to see it even though you hate it. I just don't understand why people are upset about the thousands of % gains that can be made in cryptocurrency by waiting. You have to juice it to get sold, which means you lose everything. You need to make it more powerful. Howdy, and I have something to tell you, like yesterday, last week, last month, last year, etc. I have the same amount of XRP now as I did then. I'm the winner because I hodl it. There is no need for leverage. They are the ones who lose money. It's really amazing. People will never learn because of this. Yes, everyone, and remember that I'm long XRP in the long term. In fact, it's clear that XRP was one of the first cryptocurrencies. And when it comes to leveraging long though, son, you and I are from different worlds. Okay, here's another CW post. Also, this is one of the most important basic ideas that anyone interested in cryptocurrency should understand for another reason.